Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. So please kindly check the playlist when you have doubt about the DBMS concept. So the previous session I explained about the foreign key and why we need and so on. Today we are going to see about the topic called the referential integrity. Okay, one of the important topic where we have to see get idea about insert, update and delete from the foreign key table also with some real-time examples. Let's go for session today. So referential integrity. So remember, whenever and where I go the important question is regarding this topic only. So whenever say foreign comes C, you can say the foreign key consists of the reference integrity. Remember the point. Moreover, what you can say about reference integrity is it's always specified. Reference integrity constraint is always specified between two relations and is used to maintain the consistency among the tuples in the two relations. Remember the thing here. Moreover, if you understand, we can see the two examples now. And foreign key, what you do? The foreign key is always join tables and establish dependencies between tables also. Moreover, the table what will do? The table can form a hierarchy of dependencies in such a way that if you change or delete a row in one table, we can destroy the meaning of rows in other table also. So one table some information is there. So the table having key that it's in another two table. What you can do? You can delete entire information here. So here this is a primary table, company ID is there and company name is there. Company ID is 1 and the product name, company name is Apple, company ID is 2 and company name is 2 here. Here related table where you have company ID, product ID is there as well as the product name is there. So here if you say Apple, there will be association iPhone is there, you can say associated record. If not there, you can say operand record here. Let's go for one more example where simple and easy. We have a customer table here. What is the customer table? In detail where customer number and name and some other name also is there, and the order table is there, and as well as the customer calls here. When you closely observe what you can get the information here means very simple and easy. Here what happened means here the customer number column of the customer table is a primary key. Customer number is the primary key here. Remember, and also for that the table and the foreign key is in the order and the customer call table here. So foreign key where is there? In the order table as well as the customer call table here. Remember. So here let's assume that here if you want to delete the record of customer number 106, what will happen? Say here 10 is there. That is George Watson. So 10G is there, and here also 106 is there. So if you want to delete, what will happen? The entire data, the link between entire three tables will be deleted here easily here. So when I want delete, we can do it. When I want to insert, we can insert. When I want to update, we can update. For example, the 1 or 3 flip is there, we can make to John or some other also. So we can do so many things with the help of referential integrity. Apart from this, you have now some information. That is when you delete a row that contains a primary key, or what will happen? You can update it with a different primary key here. And also we can destroy the meaning of any rows that contain the values as a foreign key. Moreover, it always referential integrity is a logical dependency of a foreign key and primary key. And see the diagram, so you can get clarity here. Customer table, order table, and customer calls table also. Moreover, the indicator of a row that contains a foreign key depends on the indicator of the row that it references also. That is the row that contains the matching primary key here. So here primary key, foreign key, both are important. I hope that you understand something about the reference integrity. If you like the channel, please subscribe and comment and share with your friends. Thank you.